All right, whew, we're on our last little stretch here, probably about less than a mile to go. We got Mr. Boyle over here, tracking away. So he's got a little knee problem. If you can see his knees down there, huh? They're not popping yet, so they're still connected. Well, it's been a great run. We're actually feeling pretty good. Get through the pain, it's all right. And look at that pretty little hat Boyer's got on. But once again, we're finishing out great things planned for 2012. Justin Boyer probably going to hit 400 with his money that he brings in for this bike run. Last year, he was our Spark Giver of the Year. Did a great job fundraising money for Shoes for Christ. I'm just really proud of him. Glad I got the opportunity to come out and help support him for more than half the run. And we're just going to finish out here to his place up in Ashtabula. Once again, about 27 miles. We're pumped up. We're ready to see great things happen for SFC. So many things that it goes for. And we're excited about giving a big offering this year. So thank you all for watching. We're going to have great videos at the end of the year to round out the year. And just once again want to give it up for Justin Boyle. Wave to the camera. Come on, Justin. All right, don't fall. All right, we'll see you all later. Thanks again. Have a great afternoon.